focus of our practice here at Azul is comprehensive facial rejuvenation. And over the last 10 years, I've developed a technique for facial rejuvenation that we now call the Azul Natural Lift. And that's a technique, really, it's a combination of a number of procedures designed to give a patient a harmonious rejuvenation of the face, a comprehensive and long-lasting rejuvenation of the face. So when the time is right for somebody to have surgical rejuvenation where the brows are heavy, or there's extra skin on the lids, or they're experiencing some laxity in the jowls, some loss of the jawline, or heaviness or laxity in the neck, that's when we often would recommend the Azul Natural Lift. And this procedure continues to evolve as we develop new technology and new techniques, but really involves small incision procedures where we make tiny little incisions in the hairline to lift the upper part of the face, hidden incisions in the eyelid area to remove extra skin, to tighten the areas. We often will use lasers or peels to tighten up the skin in the lower lid. We will often use fillers into the mid-face, which is just injectables to fill in dark circles, plump the cheeks, get rid of the hollows. And then in the lower face and neck, we use our hidden incision technique, which is hidden inside the ear and on the cleft behind the ear and then in the hairline, so that we can get a natural lift to the lower face and neck. And the key is not taking shortcuts. Nowadays, we have great techniques for rejuvenation of the face surgically, which allow it to be very quick, very safe, with very limited amount of downtime, really limits the amount of swelling and discoloration. But doing everything at once to make it harmonious is the key. That way we don't have a nice rejuvenation of the lower face and neck juxtaposed to heavy brows or looseness through the corners of the eyes, or a nice lift to the upper face, but then you're noticing the laxity in the lower face. So by combining these procedures as one, it makes the most sense, and that's when our patient satisfaction is the highest, because it all blends in and it's harmonious. Everything looks natural. You don't look different. You just look like a refreshed version of yourself. But you don't have that surgical look, because everything blends in together and everything fits. And that's what we call the Azul Natural Lift.